If you want to know how to freeze a video frame in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to capture one exact moment from your clip and turn it into a frozen frame on the timeline. This is really useful for emphasis, creating a pause for storytelling, adding text to a specific moment, or making your edits feel more polished and professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and import the video you want to edit. You can usually do this by starting a new project and then bringing your clip into the media area. Once your video is imported, drag it down onto the timeline so you can begin editing it properly. The timeline is where you'll make the freeze frame happen, so make sure your clip is placed and ready to work with. Next, move the playhead to the exact frame you want to freeze. This part is important because the playhead determines the precise moment that will be captured. You can scrub slowly through the clip until you find the perfect frame. If you want a dramatic reaction, a product shot, a transition moment, or just a clean pause, take a second to line it up carefully. The more accurate you are here, the better the freeze frame will look in your final edit. Once the playhead is on the exact frame you want, look for the double triangle icon with arrows circling around them. This is the freeze option in CapCut. Click that icon, then choose Freeze. CapCut will instantly create a frozen frame from that exact point in your video. After you click freeze, you'll see the frame held in place on the timeline, giving you a still image from your footage without needing to export a separate screenshot or image file. From there, you can extend the frozen section, add text over it, apply effects, or use it as a smooth pause in your edit. This is a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how your video feels. It gives you more control over pacing and helps you highlight important moments in a clean, professional way. If you're making tutorials, reels, shorts, or any kind of content where timing matters, learning how to freeze a frame in CapCut is a really valuable skill. And that's it. Now you know how to freeze a video frame in CapCut on PC in just a few clicks. If this helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.